Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can cancel auto renewal on your Amazon Prime. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Amazon. From here, just go ahead and tap on your profile and then just go ahead and look for this one, which is manage your Prime membership. So click on that one and then click on manage membership from here. And so as you can see, this is the renewal date. So there's actually no direct way to cancel the auto renewal, but what you're gonna do is you just go ahead and cancel your membership, and then you manually input your account about the renewal. So that's what you're going to be doing since there is no canceling of auto renewal. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.